arguments here, Miguel. What stands out to you from the prosecution's perspective as to really make the points they need to make to convince this jury this woman was sane when she killed this boy?
Well, one thing I like is that they are really taking it slow and showing, before, during, and after. They're showing a video. Visuals are always good with the jury. One thing that I do see that a lot of trial lawyers do is that they tend to make arguments in their opening statements and not enough arguments in their closing statements. And I'd like to see a little bit more arguments here on behalf of the prosecution. I think they ask a lot of questions. For example, they ask whether what is a woman doing, videotaping, or what is she doing videotaping Gannon, right? And then they stop. And it's at that point where, as a prosecution, in your closing arguments, you got to pounce, you got to strike, and you got to say, this is what she was doing. This is her intent, right? You can't just leave it up as a question for the jury to start thinking about. You have to actually drill it into them.
Yeah, there's another point too, Catherine, that